Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to enable Cache Everything on Cloudflare. First, go and log into your Cloudflare account. Once inside the dashboard, go and select on the domain that you want to work with. Now, on the left panel, go and select Rules. After that, on the right side, click on this Create Rule button. Then from the options, select Cache Rules. Now here, you'll be able to add in Cache Everything. So go and preview that template. Now, you can add a rule name. Also, select if custom footer expression or all incoming requests. Then just go ahead and select the settings that you want for this rule. Once everything is done, you can now go ahead and click on the deploy button at the bottom so that the cache everything rule will activate. And that's just basically it. You now have enabled your cache everything. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.